Hey guys, if you deal with tiny screws, glasses, electronics, controllers, this product here is just one of those things that's going to make your life easier. Not to mention, it's going to get rid of all of this. I've been fortunate enough to receive this as a sample. I've been using it now for a few weeks. This is the 12-piece magnetic precision screwdriver set. It has the storage for all of the bits right back here. You have your Phillips, you have your flat, you have Torx, all different sizes. Screw that back on. Each bit has, two sides. So you have a Phillips and a flathead on this one, for example. It's really excellent, changing out batteries inside the controllers. Boom. You're not hunting or digging through, this mess over here. It's all here in this one unit. You have sunglasses you need to take care of. You got to tighten them up, flip it around, get the right size. This one's going to be a little bit too big, but it's in here. Storage, like I said, is a breeze. Just pop that back in. And, whoops. And you're not going to lose any of your pieces here. So, cool. Another cool feature here. It's got a little magnetic tip here on the back. So if you are dealing with, small sunglass screws and stuff like that, you just have that little magnetic tip, boom, pick it up. Makes it a lot easier to manage, during installation of the screw. So, like I said, this is the 12-piece precision screwdriver set. Very convenient to have. Eliminates some of that clutter. Highly recommend.